You have enough hands?
No.
Hello guys. Say hello. So today is Sunday. It's our lazy Sunday. Normally on Sundays I do 59 push-ups, 300 sit-ups. I build a house, but today we're just strolling in our favorite mall. What mall is this? What mall is this?
Brickell.
Oh, Brickell Half Peace Mall.
What?
I don't know. I said, what mall is this? She's like. Anyway, guys, if you ever go to Brickell, make sure you visit that mall. It's so serene. I just like the fact that you're outdoor, but the way that they do the ceiling, they bring the breeze in a way like you don't even need AC. And this also collects rainwater, and it's one of my favorite malls, especially the architecture. Anyway, we're taking you with us. What is so nice?
Oh yeah, and shopping. Oh my gosh, this is it. Like all the luxury stores.
She's shopping. Let me show you guys.
I'm not shopping, but I do.
Let me show you. Yes, she's shopping.
No, I got a little something from Boutique. That's it. But
plus there are bags in the car.
shopping.
She's shopping.
Oh my gosh, like
my card is
stores.
crying. No, she's shopping for me. Get you a woman that buy you stuff. Shut up your blood clot mouth. I don't know why I keep getting the shot of this store. I rebuke you, Coco. I don't mean you, Golf. Carsa, why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because I see a kitten store right there.
Yes, kitten. Yes, in case you guys haven't seen the video, she'll put the link below. This is what I was talking about. Amazing $7,000 jacket by Kitten. Or kitten. Some of you might say kitten. I like kitten. Very, 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 very elegant store. No, let's go this way. I want to go see the food thing. And look who's coming. Again, there's a video about this truck. Today, guys, I am pointing out videos to you. If you don't know that video, she's going to put that link. We test drove that same truck you see coming right now. Okay? I'll actually wait and show you. So we did this video where we test drove this truck by South Florida. It's a 6x6 and we had fun. If you guys have not seen it, go check it out. Carsa, is that your favorite store?
What you tell me about my favorite store?
Yes, it's her favorite store. Her last name is Carsa Provocateur. And I'm the agent. If you don't know the store, Google it. Look at you. Where are you right now? Deep Teak.
So good. This one is not so nice.
Great scented collection. My favorite is Long Don. He said. Oh. And this is my second favorite right here. You.